Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop your AC pipe from sweating, and I'm also going to explain to you when it is normal and when it's signal a problem. So first of all, before trying any of the fix, you need to check when the which pipe is basically sweating. So if it is the large insulated copper pipe outside the indoor unit, a light layer of the condensation on a hot humid day is completely normal. However, water dripping excessively or soaking the insulation usually means something needs your attention. So here you need to simply start by inspecting this type of foam insulation around the pipe. So it is going to look something like this. If it is cracked, if it is compressed or missing in places, warm air can reach the cold copper line and it can then create heavy condensation. So replacing the damaged insulation is often the quickest solution that you can try. After doing so, the next thing that you need to check is the indoor airflow. Now, the dirty air filters, blocked supply vents, or the weak indoor fan can make the refrigerant line much colder than normal, causing the pipe to sweat more than it should. Now, you need to also take a look at the ice on the copper pipe and the evaporator coil. If you see the frost or the ice, you just have to simply turn off your AC and let it thaw completely. So the frozen coil usually points to the restricted airflow or a refrigerant issue, both of which can lead to the excessive sweating once the ice melts. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the issue is gone forever. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.